Hi, it's Linda. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have my first Fun Schooling Zoo curriculum journal. And I'm just going to move this down a little bit. 180 homeschooling activities. Isn't this just so cute? Look at that giraffe just peeking out. I love that. Sarah's so talented with her art. I love it. Age and date. You can color that. This curriculum covers, and then you can pause that if you need to. What do you want to know about animals, zoos, and more? Draw 5 things you're curious about. Or they could also dictate this to mom or somebody, and they could write that down. But I think a lot of kids love to draw at that age. Oh, so this is for ages 6 to 8, like 1st grade to 3rd grade. Go to the library or the bookstore. Bring home a stack of at least 5 interesting books about these topics. Choose some that have diagrams, instructions, and illustrations. You know, we all love picture books. Even I do as an adult. There's so many beautiful picture books out there. Pencils, colored pencils, and gel pens. And then right here, they could draw the covers of the books, or you could write them down. And then you want to keep them all together, maybe in a basket or in a plastic container or something, so they don't get lost. You may choose new books anytime. Flip to the back for more book pages. Keep all your books in a basket with your pens and pencils. Have a snack before you start working in this journal. So then they have the date, to-do list, draw a pet, draw a wild animal, and how are you feeling today? These are great because then you can ask your child about their feelings. Draw the missing part. It's art and logic. Animal, trace and color. These are really neat. They get to trace this, color it. Reading time. Today I will read for 15, 30, 45, or 60 minutes. Ask your teacher to help you decide how many books to read from each day. Write and draw about what you are reading. Backyard science. Nature walk and nature study. Draw or write about the things you see outside today. Spelling time. Pick a letter. Look in your homeschooling books for words that start with this letter. Write 10 spelling words. Movie time. Watch a video about animals. Write the title. Draw their favorite faces, and they can rate it. And math time. Use this page to practice math. They can use this, like if you're using Life of Fred, and you know how he has them do some kind of work, but you don't work in that workbook, you can use this page for that. Or if they just need to practice something. And then here we have, it starts again. Copy work. Copy a sentence from one of your library books. And then title, page number. So they're library books. It could be about animals. It could be about trucks. It could be about whatever they're interested in. Art and logic, math time. Relax and listen to an audiobook. Practice drawing animals. So they could check out a book from the library that has, sometimes they have those step-by-step drawings for you to learn. Classical history. Classical music, history, and literature. Listen to a story of the world, an audiobook, or classical music. Draw and doodle below. And then write, I am listening to, and then they could doodle and draw while they're listening to it. Creative writing. Write a short story about these pictures. Ask someone older to help you write the words. They could even give names to these little guys. So cute. These are fun. I've done a lot of these myself from all the levels. Isn't this beautiful? And they could color these letters, or you can even get another piece of paper and have them try to create their own letters, copy these ones. You could even put tracing paper over this and have them trace the letters. And sometimes with these, if you don't get to go outside that day, you can use, you could paste things that you see there as well, or like to see in nature. This would be a pretty one to color. Oops, I skipped a page there. Creative writing. This one they're going to complete the image there. Cute little guy. Oh, how fun. Look at these. Hopefully these peek-throughs will give you an idea of what the, oops, my phone is ringing. We'll just have to let that ring. Be creative. Look at this, isn't this pretty? Listening time. Backyard science. Oh, look how cute. I used to have a guinea pig when I was younger, and then my kids had a guinea pig. Relax and listen. That's so adorable. You can even read about the elephants afterwards. That's another idea. The animals can give you ideas of maybe go get some books on lions, especially like the with ones with lots of pictures in them. You can get one on, is that fox? Fox, huh? You can get one on foxes. Look at that guy. He's wearing a tie. Excuse me. Oh, how cute. I always get mixed up with chipmunks and squirrels. I need to do a study on chipmunks and squirrels. That's another idea. Oh, I like this. That's cute. And this one, you can write a story about these guys meeting. What was that like? I like these coloring pages. I'm gonna have to do those myself. These are the extra books in the back. And there you go. Thank you so much for watching. Y'all have a great day. Bye.